Why are your auto premiums so high? Hi, this is Nancy Nicklow with a personal story. So I hate to admit it, but a few weeks back I actually had an accident. Who would have thought an insurance agency owner actually has an accident? Well, it happened to me. It even happened in the agency parking lot. So my husband Jerry was parked behind me so that we didn't use customer parking, and got in the car, was talking to the kids, was slowly backing up, and I hit his brand new car. He was not very happy with me, but here's my story. So my Jeep Cherokee looked like it had been in a 30-mile-an-hour accident. The side panel was coming off, the taillight popped out, the bumper was damaged, and my exhaust was bent. His Dodge Challenger didn't look too bad. Now, to him, it looked horrible, believe me. But unless you were right up on it, you really couldn't notice the dent and a little bit of scratching. But all in all, his vehicle looked pretty good. Well, I didn't want to report it to the insurance company because, of course, no one was hurt. I was barely, if anything, going 5 miles an hour. And because I hit our own vehicle, there was no chance of anybody suing me or anything like that. So we took it to the local body shop. We took my vehicle in first because it looked the worst. Well, about $2,300 later, my vehicle ended up getting repaired. So then we sent Jerry's vehicle in, thinking his wasn't going to be that bad. Well, when they got into it, the clips that held his headlight in had actually broke. Now, they're plastic, mind you, not metal, they're plastic. They broke. Because the headlight is those new LED lights that are all fancy and, you know, shine bright and are wonderful, the light itself was over $1,100. So by the time it was all said and done, Jerry's vehicle actually cost a little bit more than my vehicle. So remind you, this is less than a 5-mile-an-hour accident. All in all, over $4,000 worth of damage to both cars for a very small minor accident. Years ago, if you would have broke a tail light or a headlight or something like that, it would have been a $50 to $100 replacement. As these vehicles get more high tech and have more sensors, gadgets, gizmos in them, it means that the cost to repair or to replace the vehicles go up and up and up. So that's one of the reasons why a lot of insurance carriers on the comprehensive and the collision coverage on your vehicles, you're seeing that premium increase year after year. It's not because the vehicles aren't safe, but it's a matter that because these parts are now made of plastic instead of metal, there's no fixing, it's replacing. This is also a good reminder of why you should have original parts coverage, because if you want to make sure that they put Chrysler parts or Dodge parts or Mercedes-Benz parts back on your vehicle, you have to have original parts. Otherwise, the company, if you're going through the insurance carrier, has got the right to put used parts on your vehicle. If that's not what you want, or you don't want original, or you only want originally manufactured parts, then you have to buy what's called OEM coverage. This is just a quick reminder of how easy it is to have an accident. Nobody walks out of their office at the end of the day and says, oh, I'm going to have an accident today. It's an accident because it was something that was unplanned for. So make sure that your coverage is sufficient. Talk to us here at Huff Insurance about your coverages and your limits and your deductibles, and make sure that the insurance plan that you're purchasing is the right one for you and your family. Thank you.